Okay, so for this last question, we wish to find the symmetry line, and we have 3 points, and we can't find the symmetry line using this formula here. We can't find the symmetry line using this formula here because there are no two values with the same y value. There are no two values with the same y value. So one of the easiest ways to do this is to find the equation of the line using regression. So on your calculator, open up your calculators, get them in hand if you want to follow along. We're going to press Control, add page, and add a list on the spreadsheet. Number 4. Control, add page 4. Completely different on your calculator. Completely. Yep, that works. I can show you how to do it. So it's quite similar. I wouldn't say completely different. Slightly different. So here at the top, you don't need to do this bit. Here at the top, we say that these are the x values and these are the y values. And next, we type them into our list. So we need -2, 0, and 3. And then for the y values, that's 12, -6, and -3.
So I remember doing this a lot in grade 9.
Yeah.
So we just put the x.
Is it C?
We put the x and the y values.
Oh, I remember, and then we pressed to make a graph, and then we graph it, and then we check the.
Yeah. So what we'll do next? Are we there?
Yeah.
What we'll do next? Press the Control button and move back to this page, to your calculator page. If you don't have one, then press Control, add page, and add a calculator page. So on your calculator page now, you want to press Menu. We want Statistics, number 6. We want Stack Calculations, number 1. And look, there's a whole bunch of different regressions. See number 6? It says Quadratic Regression. So we want a Quadratic Regression. We tell it what the X list is, what the Y list is. We look where it's going to store it. It's going to store it in function 1. And then we click OK. So this tells us that this function is y is equal to 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. So what the calculator has done is it's taken these points and turns it into a quadratic function for you. So if you have 3 points, you can do this. You can do this. So what we can do next, we want to find the symmetry line, remember? So probably the best technique, there's multiple techniques, the best technique would be to Control, add a page, and add a graph. And if you scroll up one, it's stored it here. So this is our regression line. We press Enter on that one and it will draw it. I pressed Tab, I scrolled up because it had stored it here for us.
Add graph?
Yes.
So it, oh.
I'm going to take this off and go on.
Oh, so it's okay. We zoom out?
Yeah. So on the zoom, let's just try a quick one. So window zoom fit number 8. Window, so menu 4A. Zoom fit. And then we want menu, analyze graph. We'll find the minimum. Scroll to either side of where the minimum occurs and click. So we see here now that the minimum has an x value of 1.25. Why is that important? Why is that important? What question are we trying to do?
Find the axis of symmetry.
Find the axis of symmetry. Where on the quadratic function does the axis of symmetry pass? Through the vertex, through the minimum. If it's a maximum, through the maximum. So what is the axis of symmetry?
X equals 1.25.
Give people time to think. People time to think. These are reflective questions. So our axis of symmetry on this one is x is equal to 1.25.
Wait, so I got so you do the quadratic regression and your stack calculation